What's up, guys? How are you all doing and your families? This track's called Deep Tech Robin Hood, made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Made it a while ago. Yeah, first mix, guys. First mix. Needs a bit of work, but let me know what you think. Yes, guys, I hope you like that. I remember making that actually quite a while back now. But yeah, if you like it, guys, hit me up right here on this channel. Check out Linktr.ee/TommyTappah for more from me. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, follow, drop a comment, guys. Let me know what you're thinking. Yeah, man, take it easy. Tap in for more from this channel right here. Hey.